only white noise. We're gonna try, we're gonna try to do this. What's up, boys? CO2 cannon sounds? Yeah, here we go. Also gonna add some vocals. Basically, we have this beat, and then I'm gonna we've built up into like a little drop that I'm just gonna use white noise to make. Yeehaw. Got a little beat. Spit some fat white noise bars over it. All right, and then we do white noise. Psh, ready for the CO2 cannon sounds? Let's go. So I don't know how to make like a kick out of white noise, to be honest, but we're gonna try. I don't know about bangers, be told, but we're gonna make something. Something in between really bad to maybe okay, because I don't think it's gonna be good. How to make a kick out of white noise. Let's see. Pitch envelope, exactly, that's what we're gonna try to do. I'm gonna pitch the white noise. I was thinking about this last night. It was like, it's probably the only way to get like different type of sounds. Maybe like some resonance. Okay. And I am allowed to resample. That is okay. Distortion, true. Let's get like the envelope right here. Buzz Lightyear type beat. Ooh, that's like kind of like a little wubby. Some transient shaper. There we go. That's a kick. It's kind of sick. Let's go. Should probably compress it. I'm gonna saturate it first. Shit, meaty. What? Alright, let's get a snare. Shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be too hard. It's like, that could be a snare. Like, honestly. Let's resample it. What? It's like a little squeak. Probably have to EQ it. Take out the low. The white noise jack E snare. Maybe some reverb. TBH. TBH. The high end. That's like not actually a snare. It's not snare enough. We need transient shaper. That's a snare. Come on. Oh, now it's different? What? I'm so confused. Okay. That's a snare. Ooh. Can you make a sub out of white noise? I send an acapella for a possible remix to this. True. All right. Let's get our white noise machine again. Title Drew White Noise. Very clever. So we should make like some hi-hats, I feel. Little. It's not hi-hatty enough. It should just be like just a little splash, right? It shouldn't be actually. Here, let me do this. There we go. It's like, that's pretty good. A little saturate maybe. Add some reverb. Just like a slight reverb, like a Valhalla room. What kind of draw are we making? I think I can't make like a sub because it's white noise, but I can do like a wubby that has low end, if you know what I mean. Get the white noise machine. This is our synth for the day. Could be a festival banger. It's gonna be a lot of resampling, I feel. Let's get one like preliminary wub. It's gonna have to be fat. Let's get the fat season rack out. Thick. Oh, it's like Peekaboo already.
Peekaboo leaked how to make his leads. White noise only.
Why is this like hype? Get the side chain. Yeet.
That's pog.
Form filter. Throw on Alter Boy. Fuck it. Fuck it. Hold on, I have an idea. Watch this. Oh, what? The ideas are flowing. What? Sounds like a Pac-Man gameplay video. Bruh. Make a drop only with the white noise. Gang deep, pull up with my white boys. This challenge might have been a bad choice, but I know you hear this banger all the way in Illinois. That's heat. That's fucking heat. All right. One take, one take. Here we go. Here we go. Are y'all ready? Make it drop only with the white noise. Gang D, pull up with my white boys. This challenge might have been a bad choice, but I know you hear this banger all the way in Illinois, yeah. Oh! That was sick. Make it drop only with the white noise. Gang D, pull up with my white boys. This challenge might have been a bad choice, but I know you hear this banger all the way in Illinois, yeah. Bro, that's hard. Come on. Shit. Alright. Yeah, Illinois, yeah. I'm vibing? Literally a wet fucking towel. Let's give it a listen. Let's give the track a listen. This challenge might have been a bad choice, but I know you hear this banger all the way in Illinois, yeah. Woo! Ad-libs when? Let's go. Oh! I'm headbanging. Should probably change the flow here. I'll do this and then I'm gonna add ad-libs. It's kind of heat. Semi-heat. It's like 26 degrees. So it's a disciple. Watch me do it, bro. It's like a fucking demented cat. Bro, this I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think. Try to make color bass with white noise. Bro, speaking of color bass, what would a vocoder right now? Make some chords. I'm color basing right now. I'm CBing. Oh! Oh, that's hype. It's noises you should release on music on Mount. True, that's actually facts. Girth! Let's go. Make it drop only with the white noise. Gang D, pull up with my white boys. This challenge might have been a bad choice, but I know you hear this banger all the way in Illinois, yeah. Make it drop only with the white noise. Gang D, pull up with my white boys. This challenge might have been a bad choice, but I know you hear this banger all the way in Illinois, yeah.